Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the AMPEAK smart battery charger. This is 210 and 25 amp. It's for 12 volt lead acid batteries, AGM gel and STD. This one maintains your battery, charges it up automatically, has an energy saving design. It can activate batteries whose capacity is not enough to start engine, so this has a start aid also. Alright, warning. Keep away from children. Never use on lead acid battery. Never charge a frozen or dead or dry battery. Never smoke. Okay, common sense stuff. All right. So these are good for maintaining your battery. If you just do little short drives around town and stuff, or maybe the kids leave the light on too long and your battery gets down most of the way. What else we got in here? Got the instruction booklet. And here we go. This is the device we're checking out. So it's got a trickle charge, 10 amp quick charge, 25 amp rapid charge. And I believe, let's see, you can select your amps you want, or just do auto. It'll select it for you. Select your battery type, engine start assist, and recondition. So it has all those different things. All right. It's pretty cool. On the back we have our power cord here, as well as a little area where you can wrap your power cord around there to keep it nice and tidy. So, I'm not sure how long this cord is. Let's check it out. Dun, 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 dun. So you could pick this up off of Amazon. This one has the Smart Aid charge or Start Aid. I'm sorry, my goodness. This one runs about $68 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. So this cord is 6 feet long, and then let's see how long the cord for the chargers are as well. So I will leave that link in the description. You guys can check it out. Lots of cool stuff on Amazon, for sure. This appears to be about 6 feet long as well. It's got a nice little handle on top here. You can hold it. Okay. So first impression, looks like a well-constructed piece of equipment here. It's got a little fan here on the side to keep it cool. That's kind of nice, little pass-through area here. Looks to be pretty heavy duty. See these clamps here also. Positive and minus, it's labeled on there. So that's it for the unboxing, my friends. I will be doing a demonstration and setup video and review as well. So I'll be putting that video link in the description below when I finish that too. So if you guys want to check that out, feel free. Thanks for watching this unboxing, everybody. We'll see you next time, and have a great day.